Hey, why hello and welcome to another Jaseowns stream. How's it going? Everybody. I'm on the struggle bus, you guys. Toot toot, come and get on the bus with me. All aboard the struggle bus. Next stop, Struggle Town. Population, me. Hey, welcome to the stream. I don't know if you know this or not, but I get imposter syndrome quite a bit. And looking over these three repos makes me realize I know nothing. Between Script Blaster, aka Script Beast, Master Miller, and Misa Jar Jar, I don't know nothing. Ugh. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Hello, Grim2, Cronny, Vol ______. Julio, and Monty. How are you guys doing? How's everybody on this fine day? I'm struggling. I'm not feeling that great. I didn't sleep very good. Like, I just, you ever just wake up on the wrong side of the bed? I feel like that's kind of how I am today. So I'm sorry if I'm a little grump, but we out here. We doing it. Some people just have that weaponized autism. I mean, I wish I could just hone it in. Now you don't have a pesky job to keep you from learning. I know that's the worst part. Now I feel doubly worse about myself, Nalco. Thanks for pointing that out. Son of a gun. You're already there? Got a new PC? Forgot how to save your UO Razor stuff? You have to redo everything? Oh, did you you could still grab it off your old computer unless you completely got rid of your old computer there, Monty. You just really want the data folder. Here, we'll just a PSA for anybody who's no matter which server you play, you know, Outlands, Unchained, whatever. When you go into the folder for the game, there's a data folder. That's normally what you want to do. The profiles is like your game macros and things, and then plugins is normally your assistant, so that'd be like Razor. So you can normally just take that whole data file and copy it over to your new computer. And if not, then you just need to take your specific thing. Copy the entire data folder, says Nalco. See, there we go. Confirmed. Anyway, so I was trying to look for... I went on a little side quest of my own. So where we left off on the stream the other day was we were doing... I wanted to change the summons based on this Gump, right? And we got it to at least work a little bit. But then I thought, you know what? I want to know, can I call, the stream from the game? And so I went down a whole big rabbit hole of trying to do requests from Razor, talking to a website. And I didn't make as much progress as I wanted. But then it makes me want to do a channel of the chat plays UO. Because I definitely think we could do it with Razor Enhanced. You know, how people do left, right, up, blah, blah, blah. I'm I'm 90% sure it's possible. Now, would it actually play well? Probably not. But it would be interesting to see. But what I was trying to say here is, if I click new and I open, I'm just going to show you my example that I was looking at. Request test. So I was able to call my local host to get the data, or to at least call my website running locally. Which then means I'll be able to pass data back and forth between the Razor Enhanced and wherever I point this to. So hey, you know, we got an example of at least a request working back and forth. I'm not gonna mess with that right now. I just wanted to talk about it. I do want to finish this though. This is our very first time we played with Razer Enhance. It's time to read the Twitch API FAQs. Uh-oh, is that is that blocked too? You're not allowed to do that? Is that not a thing anymore? Son of a... And that's okay if it's not. That's totally fine. I still want to... If even if you can't do like Twitch plays UO, it would be funny for me to tap into... like if I die in the game, I could have like an overlay, you know? Like if something happens in the game, ideally I should be able to... you already... That's true, now. That's true. I'm a rebel over here. I'm just trying to get this shut off. What happened to Jace? I heard he got banned. Anyway, so in theory, I should be able to like take some of the game data and even put it in the stream overlay, right? Like that's another little in the kitchen in this not doing what I should be doing brain. Yeah. Alpha, what's up, dude? Okay. So right now we're gonna focus up Buttercup, and we're gonna not look at the request tests. We're gonna look at this Gump example from Cronny, and we're just gonna hone it in. One of the things that this Gump thing was where we left off. God, I can't speak. I want to know like what pet got summoned, right? Because we need to know our pets. So this is where we need to figure out if after we summoned something, like so for example, this summon water elemental count matches this or not. We need to make sure that we actually summoned a water elemental. Or whatever. So I want to know if there's a way to get our pets. I don't know if there is or not. Like player.pets. Okay. Get the name of the area in which the... Player.pets. I'm just going to look at this on the wiki. You got a wiki, Jason? I sure do. It's a website, actually. UOAddicts.com is the website. I did add the search, so you can search for things now, and hopefully that's a little bit more helpful. I have an advanced search that I still haven't finished, but that will be on there. That's going to be the next update. I also have some more servers I need to add. So if you've messaged me about adding a server, I'm sorry I haven't done that yet, but you're on my list. And once you're on the list, it's definitely going to get done. Right? Right? Alright, so I'm going to players and I want players pets. Find all the neutral pets in the area that can be renamed. This isn't server information on your pets, but it's good enough for most cases. So player.pets is a list. So my pets equal player.pets. Is it a function? Print my pets. Save that, play. It says there's a list and there's one in the list, which is great. If I summon another one, let's see if it has two in the list. Sure did. Boom, boom. Okay, great. So player.pets is what we need to do to know if we've actually summoned something. And I'm assuming I can then check these. So let's loop them. So I don't know Python and I don't know loops, and it's been a day since I've done it. So there's just 4x in, is it? It's 4 pet in, and then maybe we don't even need player.pets. We could just say this. And then we'll print pet. Oh, and I need a hold on there. Save play. That didn't work. I no longer saw my chain. What the? Let's go back to what I was doing. Or pet in pets? Is this not right? Okay, and it looks like this is a mobile. So I bet we can say pet or thing.name. Thing.item ID. Pet.name. They play. There we go. A pixie, a water elemental. Great. So that worked. Do I want to look for it by item ID? Or pet, like mobile ID, like body ID? Syntax was correct, but it wasn't convertible to a string. Yeah. We're gonna do find pet as function, and then we will need the name of the pet type. Pet name. Jaseowns, have you ever thought about running your own shard? I have thought about it, but I don't. There's nothing I would add to the list of you know, I'm trying to think like the great answer to I want a good answer. Let me ponder an answer for you. In my brain, if I were to make a shard, I'm debating on if it would have PvP or not. And that would lose a lot of people. But it would also gain a lot of people that are afraid to play. You know? The problem with UO and PvP and not PvP is PvP gives you a way to like resolve a conflict, technically. You know what I mean? Like if someone is making you angry, you can literally try to kill them, you know? If you're like having a problem with a player, you can take some action. In like a trammel situation, you can try to grief them, but that doesn't really do anything. So when I think about running a shard, and I'm like, oh, like I would probably do like a PVM shard, but then like, how do you deal with people like killing people's mobs and like, you know, I don't know. It sounds like so much craziness, you know? Jace could just set the default player privs to GM and sit back. I mean, everyone's a GM. I think there was a server like that. I feel like I was a GM on a server like when I was a kid. I feel like there was one. Maybe it was just somebody from my guild that like had a server. I'm not sure, but I definitely was a GM as a kid on some shard. Anyway, hopefully that was a great answer. Or a terrible answer. You ran a server for all of 3 months. It was fun, but a lot of work. Hell yeah, dude. Nice. You were thinking about using a cycle, like a day and night, 2 hours. Whether like PvP would be allowed at the same time, you get more resources. Interesting. And Meta wants some actual day-night cycles in snow and rain. Technically, isn't that already there? I mean, the weather effects, I don't think they show up on this classic client. Right? There used to be weather. It didn't change the actual like ground, but it used to like snow and stuff. Or maybe I'm thinking of a different game. It's disabled in Razor usually? Yeah. Okay. Also, I'm on the struggle bus. I've mentioned this at the very beginning of the stream, but I'm gonna say it again just because I'm like low energy. I feel off, you know? Like, you ever like just feel off? Today I feel off. Why? I don't want to feel off. I want to feel fantastic. El Bandito, 78. What up? Yeah, low energy Chase, exactly. Normally it's just a high octane stream where we're just dominating. This one, I don't know, man. We'll see. Welcome to 40. Is this what it's like being 4 decades old? You just randomly like don't feel good? I mean, I technically always don't feel good. Not always. Wow. Chase, don't be negative. I felt like this before. It's just like sometimes, you know, you just meh. Start the hype music again, see if it helps. My fear is I start the hype music and then I just turn off the stream, you know? You got the low T shots. Oh, speaking of that, dude, like I have the pellet, like I did the pellets. Here's a little life update. Thanks for the cake above me. There's the life update. I have low testosterone, and I went and I looked up the different ways to like naturally increase your testosterone. If you you eat certain foods, work out, blah blah blah. And my number was in like the hundreds. Okay, and so. Me naturally fixing it got into the 200s, which is still way low. So then I was putting off doing the like treatments. Anyway, I ended up going with the pellets. So this is 6 weeks into pellets. This is literally the 6th week. And I had my blood work follow up last week, and my testosterone is now like high. It's like 1100. So that's good, but also I don't feel any better, you know? Like I was hoping that it would like, I'm hoping that I was like, yeah, everything's going great. But then my wife reminded me there's no like, you know, I was hoping that it would just change my life completely, but it didn't. I'm now just mad. Anyway, we'll see what happens, you know? Get it on the shots. They're better and consistent. You guys are doing the shots? Okay, you gotta bump those numbers up. Exactly, Duff Boy. Just gotta level it off, yeah. Plus you just ate, you're digesting, which takes longer? Go to the fridge, eat the cake, eat half. It will help, at least for you. I mean, I understand that 100%. So normally I cope with my emotions with food. If I could cope with my emotions with working out or like doing something healthy for my body, damn, you know? Imagine that. All right, anyway, we're gonna get back to this. Thanks for going on the tangent with me, guys. I appreciate that. We got this. The pills depends on what you eat, how much water, what time of day. Ah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I got these pellets in me. Got them in me. They're working. Apparently. Maybe my body's just not ready. I don't know. I got my follow-up on Monday. Get to talk to the doctor again on Monday. You forgot to post on the Unchained Discord you're live? I'm bad. And now that I got my bot to do it for me in my own Discord, I kind of forgot literally everything else. Like I should be doing it in other people's Discords, you know, like the whole self-promo. We got a self-promo out here, you guys. I'm grabbing the link. You got a link, Jace? I sure do. Oh. Streaming. All right, thanks. Soon you'll have food restrictions. It's coming, dude. Man, no. I bet you don't have a video that shows people how to install Razer Enhance and lets them follow along. Cronny, I mean, I sure do. Also, this was Wednesday. This was my 13th of 13. I'm 100% every Wednesday uploading a video in 2025. My video today was about the difference between Razer and Razer Enhance and Outlands Razer. And then somebody in the comments said, I saved you 3 minutes. Razer Enhance for botting. Or something like that. And I was like... Like, thanks for saving everybody 3 minutes. Be sure to follow along for the next one. Like, follow, and subscribe. All right, we're back. We're focusing up. We got this. El Bandito, you're watching the Windows uploads. Hell yeah, dude. Thank you. Appreciate that. Dan, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you, dude. Hopefully, I get some content that's going to help you out soon. Sooner rather than later. No worries, dude. No dilly-dallying around here. Okay, so we're looping our pets. And we now at least know if we have some summons. And like right now, we don't have any summons. We're 0-5. So this loop is not returning anything anymore, which is fantastic. So I do want to do a little function to see if we have the pet available. And my idea is we would call find pet, you know, a water elemental. Like I want to do something like this. And then, we would try to get said pet. Now the problem is, if I do it like this, I might find the pet. But what if we have 2 water elementals? Find pets. Then is that even any different than what I'm doing here? Great question, Jace. Great question. Cronny's trying to encourage some likes. Appreciate you, too. Find pets, pet name. See, I'm pre-solving a problem that I don't have yet. You know, I should just type out what I have, and if I need to change it, I'll change it. You know, like that. Do you guys ever get stuck like that? You start worrying about all the other stuff that could happen, so then you don't start. Because that's where I'm at right now. I'm thinking in my brain of all this different stuff that I need to handle, and instead I should just knock one thing off the check mark, aka finding a pet named a water elemental. So like we want to do it like this. Find pet with the name. And I'm probably doing this wrong, right? I'm supposed to be using underscores. Damn it, like what? I don't care anymore. It doesn't matter. Just type it how you type it, Jace. All right, so find pet, water elemental. If pet.name is equal to the pet name, we want to return the pet. Return like nothing. So then we say, you know, water dude is equal to this. And then we'll print water dude, which should be empty or none. It should return none, I assume. Save play. Or it's not going to break. It's going to just break. All right, let's increase the water elemental count. That now summons the pet. I'm waiting for it to show up here, but it's not. Oh, it did. Oh, that was the other thing. This loop is a weird loop. We're gonna have to change the loop around. The Gump itself and the button clicks. Remember, I got stuck on this, where we're like waiting for this Gump for 60 seconds, and if I turn this down, then it constantly closes the Gump. Like, it speeds up the execution of the script, but then it, I wasn't able to, like, set these things correctly. I need to figure out why that is, too. Okay, so you know what you're doing? No, I have no clue what I'm doing. It's like, why does it not fix? Okay, I mean, there it went. It's like you have to catch it at the right time. Squirrel. Oh, the other thing I did after the stream, I was curious if any of these variables like existed in another script. And right off the top of my dome, they did not. You know what I mean? Like if I set a variable here and then I tried to access that variable from another script, it didn't work. I don't know if you're supposed to like import it somehow or anything like that. But I was hoping it was like the timers in the regular Razor, where if you create a timer or create a variable, then it like exists in Razor. And then you can use it from another script. That didn't work here with the Python thing. So again, that's a whole nother thing. I'm not 100% sure how to share variables between two scripts. But hey, we'll learn that at some point too. Put it on the list of need to figure out. Okay. So in theory, when we're casting a water elemental, we could set a variable for like casting. Casting summon is false. And we could say casting summon is true here. And then we can check to see if the timer is done. If. If the spellcast timer is less than and casting summon, then we know we wanted to check. Actually, I guess we could just check the type instead of a true false. It could be the type. Can I set a null here or a nil? What is it in Python? It's empty string. Casting summon. We'll say casting summon some creature. Oh, dang it. If we do summon, then we need to know the type of summons we're casting. Nikes. Because this would be pixies. If I'm in air, but it's going to be something else if it's not. Oh my god, we're going to have to figure that out too. Well, casting summon creature. I don't know. Yeah. We'd have to handle all the types. Anyway. You can do that. I have a repository where it calls a config file. It has delays in it, and a tool file that has the tool IDs in it. Nice. Okay. And you just like import it at the top. If like import it to glue. Yeah. Okay. Casting summon creature. Like the water elemental one's gonna be the easiest, but hey, So like, okay. So in my brain, I'm like, okay, water elemental, a water elemental, right? Like that's the name. If the timer's all done and our casting summon has a name, then we want to find a pet. Find pet casting summon. Like did summon. You started a very hard script for the first one? Yeah, I know. I'm regrets. No regrets. And then I have like super I have super imposter syndrome after looking at like the Mastamilla, the script beast, and then Misa Jar Jar's repos on GitHub. They got a lot of cool stuff. Misa Jar Jar or Misa Scripts. He has a lot of cool like proof of concept stuff. So very cool repo there. Script Blaster, same thing. Script Blaster, Script Beast. That's anyway. And what's funny is like there's all these scripts that already exist, and I'm kind of like I'm trying to learn it. I'm trying to learn without just copy pasta. I probably should just copy pasta, but I don't want to copy pasta. You know what I mean? I want to struggle. I want to hurt my I don't want to hurt myself. I don't want to say that on the stream. I want to hurt my brain. You know? Let's see. Did summon, find pet, casting summon. Casting summon a water elemental. I'm thinking. You see the smoke? If did summon. Player head mess. Oops. Player head message. No summon yet. Else. We did it, dude. And then if we did it, we want to actually set casting summon to empty. Okay, we're gonna hit save. We're gonna hit play here. It shouldn't do anything. Okay, that's great. I'm gonna release that. I'm gonna release that. Now, in theory, when I click this, we should summon one, and then it should find it and then tell us if we found it or not. Let's see. No summon yet. It was instant. What does Forensic do in Unchained? It increases your hit point bandage, and then it also will increase the skins that you skin. So if you're a healer, it's going to increase your healing. And then for me, I'm using it to gather resources for the guild. Okay, So the good news is I right-clicked this away, then it refreshed the Gump, and then it found our thing. We did it, dude. So it did, in fact, and now it doesn't find it because we found it. So I still am not I don't understand why the Gump... I wish this made more sense to me. I wish this Gump thing... Like in my brain, you make the Gump, it exists, and then, yes, you might need to update it every now and then, but why? Like, why does this need to exist? Like, why does the wait for Gump 60 seconds need to exist? That doesn't make any sense to my brain. And like when we comment that out, then it doesn't work anymore. See like how it's looping very quickly now, and if I right click this, I can't, you like can't click it away. Oh, you can. You can click it away. It's just, it's not like updating my value. Why does it not update my value? It knows I clicked a button. It's saying button check. Oh no, button check is the... You should probably start with a simple task like your alchemy trainer. Do that to start learning the language, and then a more sophisticated one like the mage bot. Difficult change 0 to 100. Yeah, dude. I feel like I should know this stuff, and I'm giving myself too much of a you're right. Maybe I shouldn't have this as my first step, you know? This is like the how to draw an owl meme. Have you guys seen that? I'm gonna bring it up real quick. You know, like this. I feel like I've done the first step, and so I should just be able to make the owl. Yeah? This is 100% how I feel right now with Razor. How to make a script. You just put some stuff down, and then you have it. Pocketed. Hello, welcome to the stream, dude. Maybe I bit off more than I can chew here. Maybe we should just go farm some elementals. I got 12 hours to get a couple more elementals in. All right, let's pause on this. We're gonna take a quick pause, a mental pause. I'm gonna hit save. We're gonna close that down. I'm gonna hit 1 on the keyboard. 1 is my original one that we made, and it's just summoning a creature. It's like hard coded to summon. And we're gonna go kill something real quick. I need to murder something. Okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna kill something. In game. 24% on that bad boy. Oh, I should probably go get the quests first. I think I have the quest for it. BRB. Dragon Essence, Mastery Orb. City Cleanup, Rune Book. An Ogre Threat, Random Mastery Orb. A treasure map for Lava Hill. There we go, that's what I wanted. I'm also going to turn in this empty box for a point. And we're going right back to it, and then while we murder, we'll think. Dang it, I don't have any camping things. Anyway, so right now my mage bot that I've written, that's in the Discord, I think I need to post what the recent changes that I made to it. But it's just hard coded to look at. Let's stop it real quick. We're trying to auto loot some items here. We are looting from the mobs. If we're hurt, it says we're hurt. If we're missing greater than 30 health, then we're healing ourselves, right? If we're poisoned, it tries to cure. It tries to loot through the corpses. I did add this note to myself that I haven't looked at. Wait for contents. We're trying to do the hide situation. And then here's where I'm currently casting followers. So if player mana is greater than or equal to 50 and we have less than 4 followers, we're casting a follower. And I'm commenting out what I'm casting. It's like, sometimes I want to use different ones. Anyway, then if my followers is not equal to my followers, and then they're greater than 0, make sure that I say all guard. So this one isn't, this is the new stuff that I have. That way, I can hit play on it, which is bound to 1 on my keyboard. And it will say all guard me now. The other one didn't do that. Yeah, we need to get that sweet dopamine. Exactly, dude. And maybe I need to not work. Maybe I need to just not focus on the Gump. Maybe I just need to focus on this one. Technically, I want to combine both, right? Like, the reason why I want to get the Gump thing to work is because if the Gump thing can work, then I no longer have to edit my code to change my summon. I could just change it in the game. That's like end game goal for me. And then the other like things with Razor Enhanced is I definitely want to incorporate it into the stream, right? So the overlay, the notifications, the potentially looking at Twitch chat to do something in the game, all on the list as well. Accuracy bonus 30%, like that's pretty good, but I'm not an archer. Nobody got time for archery around here. Doing a little loop-de-loo. Technically I'm in air right now, and I probably should switch that because I'm full of air. We're level. We need 41 orbs, and I have one. I have 1 orb, and we need 41. Ugh. So instead of doing that, I should probably pick something else. I was doing a little bit of holy, because water elementals get it are holy. I was doing fortune for a little bit. I just unlocked fortune level 3. But there's lots to choose from here. Like which, you know, probably just activate holy right now. Just so I'm gaining some EXP while we're fighting. And then now this is where I need to change my script to not use summon creature because I'll lose my pixie. Wait, no, I think wisps are here. That's fine. I think wisps are holy. Jay says Razor Enhanced pause or wait, it's miscellaneous dot pause. It looks like this miscellaneous pause. Does hurting help summon creatures? It does, yeah. I originally had hurting. I want to do treasure maps on this dude. I have been doing treasure maps on this dude. You don't really need to go over 105 lockpicking unless you're going out on the ocean. So I want to get to 120 lockpicking just to finish it off. Then store the skill on a skill stone. And then I'm gonna like only load lockpicking if I'm doing maps. So right now my character is not optimized at all. So if you're looking at my build is just, it's just craziness. That's quite embarrassing. Don't tell anybody. Ugh, you seen Jason's build? He didn't know what he's doing. Dude's an idiot. Fair. Anyway, how's everybody doing on this fine? See, now I got a wisp and a pixie. Wisp and a pixie, enter a bar. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you. Proish Gamer. Hitting me with a like. Thank you so much, dude. It's very rare. That's very rare coming from you. So I do appreciate you stepping out of your comfort zone and hitting that button. You know? Just takes one. It's a slippery slope from here, though, dude. Now you might be doing it all the time. The joke is, guys, Coach Gamer drops a like. That's the joke. Oh, I should be summoning a Blade Spirit as well, so I can get that extra Blade Spirit EXP. We're min-maxing out here. Just kidding, we're totally not min-maxing, because technically my summon creature is maxed. I should have one summon creature and one something else. Ugh. If you have to explain it, then the joke is dead. True. Fair point. Yeah. Damn it. Done messed up. It's on me. Anyway, the wisps heal. Like holy heals. Something else heals. It's mastery bonus here. Holy. You want to see an upgrade on the hair? I think I'm gonna shave it off, you guys. I'm gonna try to find a barber. But here's a hair update. 2 months. 2 months plus. Two months of growing out that bad boy. I'm ready. I'm ready to cut it off. But my wife wants me to actually get it, like, nicely cut off. I haven't been to a barber ever in my life. And when I have been to a barber, to like in my teens, it was to like great clips. So I don't consider that a barber. She wants me to go to a place that can like trim all of it up nicely. I've never done that. I'm actually kind of afraid to go, which is why I haven't done it. You know, I don't... Like, what's the etiquette? Hey, guys. New here. Do you put a blade to my face? That seems very strange. You need Manscaped. Exactly. I need a Manscaped. Like, hey, do I trust you, random person? I don't know. I guess this is your job. I should trust you. So anyway, I gotta get over my fear, and I just gotta go do it. Like a normal haircut place won't... Yeah, I need to find an actual barber. Exactly, Crying. Yeah, my wife wants me to go to like a legit... Like a barber. Like a... She wants me to get like an actual shave with a blade. Because I've never done that in my entire life. The closest blade shave I've gotten is from the, you know, dollar store, you know, the little plastic razors you throw away. Just roll in, say, hey, cut me. Head hair is different than the face hair? True. If you freaked out and they don't use a... well, they don't use a straight razor anymore? Yeah, I think as a kid, I did not like my haircut at all as a kid. And it just went through into adulthood. You know, I got that trauma, the childhood trauma. I got nicked in the ear as a child. And I've never outgrown it. Ultima Online is the best game. Where you when you've been younger, everyone yeah, you want to play like this? Old school with upgrades, normal? Yeah. Dude, there's a lot of different ways to play UO. AVN. Is that Avon? Is your name Avon or is it just AVN? Yeah, dude, we've been playing UO multiple ways. Multiple options to play, and I actually run a little website. It's called UORazorScripts.com. Oops, wrong one. That's a GitHub. Where is it? UORazorScripts.com. UOAddicts.com is the newest one. So the server we're currently playing is Unchained, and we're trying to learn a little bit about Razor Enhance. Trim all your face hair yourself? I mean, I normally take, you know, just do it all myself. I've tried not to touch it. Obviously, I've trimmed a little bit just so because this was like in my mouth. But I've been trying to just let it grow out and see what's happening. And then my wife was like, "It's a little wild." It is a little wild. I agree. You asked for this. You brought this on yourself, wife. Like the kids asked for it. Wife approved. You gotta let the beard go for a few months and then let it settle? It's been a few months, dude. That's the problem. It's been a few months. Look, it's been a few months already. How many more months do we need? Thanks, Chase, for saying that I've come far from my ear nick. Yeah, I have trust issues, both in game and real life. You know, the first person in my UO career to say "hail" to me, I thought they were like being mean. They said "hail." I was on the bridge of Vesper. I remember it like it was yesterday. I was on the bridge of Vesper, and there was somebody that said "hail" to me, and I was like, "I hail to no one." Because I thought hail meant like you like bowed down to somebody. Like hail to me. Hail was just saying hello. I didn't know that. The other time in Vesper, same thing. When you used to run over somebody, it says like as a little message that like being perfectly rested, you shove them out of the way. And so the first person I ran through and it said that message, I was like, sorry. Didn't mean to. And then and then they didn't respond to me and I was like, damn, I must have pissed that guy off. A lot of people playing your country? Oh, look, I'm not educated at all. How do you say this country?
Latvia.
Latvia? I don't know. Is anybody here from Latvia? Yeah, well, Matt, we'll see. Exactly. You can't tell me what to do. All right, cool. Anyway, so this is the mage bot. Like, by the way, I haven't hit any keys. I've literally just been running around collecting loot. So, this is working pretty fine already. Again, granted, I don't really want 2 wisps right now. You're like, oh, hell no. It's on. Did you just shove me, bro? Exactly. Medium, rare, met. Dang. I could go for a steak right now. That sounds good. I need something in my life. You get a hail, and you get a hail. It's just funny, like the things I said as a kid too, like on the internet specifically, like in UO. if my chat logs from me being 12 ever resurfaced, because at first I was very nice in UO. I was very nice. But then I realized that we were in an online video game and there was no like repercussions. And so the evil Jace spawned. The evil Jace realized we could kill, steal, and taunt with our words. You know? Feel bad for the people who like now, like you just everything you say is saved. Hello, Jason all says Nox. Hail to thee, Nox. Dude, if your teen chat logs in Counter-Strike or UO got leaks, company would fire me. Yeah, I'm unhireable. If my 12-year-old me made the 40-year-old me unhireable. I've learned since then. You're like, Jason, could it be that bad? Like, no, it was bad. I do. Still pushing people around the graveyards, Jason? Yeah, pretty much. I'm just a terrible, terrible person. We out here. Dominating. Just kidding. We're not dominating. Actually, I gave up on my task. I was working on the Gump thing, and it got hard, so I quit. I'm also having an off day, so we're just chillaxing. You received 2 reward points. We finished the lava cleansing. Let's go. The fastest quest in all the land. But look, so I have like these little things, these little dopamine contracts, right? If I kill 71 of them, then we get some gold, which I don't care about, but we get achievement points. That's the juice. That's what we want, the achievement points. And they're a random drop. So like this one right here, I just need to kill a couple more demons, and then we'll get that dopamine. How can I send you a donation? Yeah, just anything, any platform. Discord is the best. I know not everybody has access to Discord. The support is here. The support is also here. Whatever's best for you. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. You don't have to struggle. You can retreat to a strand fantasy world where you. It's so true, dude. That's why I'm here. Jason, did you quit Outlands? No, you guys. I logged in today. I didn't quit Outlands. Just just went out for milk. If only you had a Discord, that's true. Wait, you have a Discord, Jace? I sure do. You should join. You're not in there already. Anyway, so as you can see, my guy died there, and then it summoned and said, "I'll guard me." I wasn't doing anything, you know? Like, that's part of the fun. Boom, that contract, 20 points in the bank. Let's go. I got a contract to kill these guys too, these incinerators. I need fire elementals, incinerators. Oh my god. Millikers. Also, if you do bracket job, those are like the jobs. So I need to kill some bosses here. I've only done 4 mini bosses. Hey, those are giant joints. They sure are. Blood Elementals halfway done. Demons still got quite a bit to go. The Ogre Lords probably won't finish that one. is what it is. But the best for this stream. Okay. Do we go back to it? Do we try again? Let's just rock. Let's go to some of the minis. See, so there's a chest right there. We're gonna pop that open. Boom. Chest guardian. The guy velour. Hello. Welcome. The quests still don't work right. They the quests still block, like if you kill, like you can't be in a group and farm quest mobs, which is silly. But apparently they had a problem where people were abusing the quests to get items. You know, you can never have nice things around here. But people were like loading up like 7 characters at a time or whatever, you know, and then going to all get an orb. Which makes sense. I feel like I would do that too. So you only get credit for like doing the kill. You have to have like loot rights to get credit for the things. Alright, I'm overweight both in-game and real life. There we go. Gotta move some of that around. Nothing in here. Okay. Beard dye? Congrats. Alright, I'm gonna go inside this dungeon here. I want to drop off my loot real quick. I'm gonna go in there though. Blade Spire. Okay, let me drop off my stuff real quick. We're taking a pause of dominating the scripting. Oops, 5,000. I don't want 5,000. 150.
Toll is a toll, and a roll is a roll. And if we don't get no tolls, then we don't eat no rolls.
Chase.
Poland emoji.
Poland emoji. Thanks for not this one's for Polish gamer. Thanks. Wait, have I been reading it wrong this whole time? Is it pro-ish or Polish? I wouldn't be shocked if I was doing it wrong this whole time. Dude, thanks for the super chat. Ivan. All right, let's not let chat get off the rails. Sorry, pro-ish. I'm forgot where we were going. Ah, okay. Sorry. Damn it, this is wrong. This is the wrong thing. More mad at my your English. Understandable. Damn it. So blood mini. Thanks, AVN. I think we're all moving on. We've all moved on. We're good. We good. Everybody's good. We're okay. That dude dropped an ogre corpse. And now he's back to human. Yay, I needed that one. Alright, well, on other news. Thanks. Thanks, the glue. Like, let's get along, you guys. We're just trying to play an old wizard game from 1997 with automated tools. These wisps are getting their buns kicked. I mean, this is a legendary, I guess. Just curious if the boss is up over here. The boss is up over here. If anybody wants to come to Bladespire, the boss is up here. Not that the last time we were here, we had to leave early or anything. Hey, UO's global. Let's go. I think I'm gonna go drop off my loot because I want this crystal, and then I'm gonna get some campfires, and then I'll do this boss. Let's go. And I'm just gonna switch to air again because air is I'll kill faster. That way I don't have to worry about it. Yeah, we're playing in the future right now, dude. 2025 UO. Crazy. Your craziness. By the way, I drop all these books in here, so if anybody wants these books, be sure to check out the chest in the guild house. Sometimes I do them, sometimes I don't. Boss? For the sparkle. Got that pixie power. Oh, you want some more, huh? Great. Wait, who's here? Chat has gone dead? That's okay. It's alright, don't poke it. Just let it die. Please. That wasn't for me. Somebody else must have went in there. Let's kill this boss. I don't want to fight somebody. Unless it's a guildie. Their guild member in there. Random hero, watch out, dude. It is not a guild member. The Dorian? Alright, the biggest thing with this boss is just don't stand in the whirlpools. Don't stand in the whirlpools. Don't stand in the way of the tidal pools. Damn it, I forgot to get more kindling. Does anyone have kindling? I knew I forgot something. We hurt. So true. Watch out, random hero. Portor. Uh-oh. I'm gonna pull the guy up here, get away from Guyvor's corpse here. I'll come back down to you, dude. Squirrel, squirrel, squirrel! I forgot my my kindling. I might leave and go get kindling. I'm missing half my power. Wait, Tragums, how are you doing, dude? I stood in it. I did not mean to stand in it. That was on me. That was my bad. I was not paying attention. Both in-game and real life. Messed up. Sea llama. Heck yeah. It's a sea llama. Watch out. If I only could drop a kindling fire right here, we could all be being healed right now. Is there any trees in here? It's all me. It was my bad. It was my mistake. I could have swore I moved out of that whirlpool, but apparently I didn't. Careful of the next drowned dragon. Because then we're going to get 2 waves of spray. It's lootin'. It's lootin', tootin', fresh and fruitin'. Alright, so I got the items. We can go divvy it up into thing. Oops, I'm overweight. Both in-game and real life yet again. Got 16k on me. Instance. Do it. Boss status alive. We're just running through to the boss, you guys, because then we'll spawn it again. So we're cheating the system. Because if you enter an instance and the boss is already alive, then you can kill the boss and then you can potentially spawn it again. Just so you know. So I think we left Guy Valor behind. Guy Valor, doing alright? Boss is not there. I've been frozen. Where's the boss at? Oh, maybe the bar is wrong. Maybe it's like a graphical bug. Maybe the boss isn't really alive. This instance is bugged? Son of a gun. Well, rip-a-roon to us. Remember seeing a screenshot of it in Discord? Okay. Is there PvP in this game? Yeah. That there is. The game is full of PCP. It depends on what server you're playing. Yeah, we're currently on Unchained. It is it's like Fell rule set, so you can fight each other. So right here, right, yeah. Oh my god! I just almost died. But then I was like, not today. They're slicing, cutting. Avian, thanks for stopping by, dude. Thanks for doing the donation. Appreciate you, dude. Hopefully you have a great evening. Get into the game again. Keep playing. Almost died again. Did a marathon today, basic. Grinded 20 hours straight. Holy crap, dude. How'd you do? Did you win? For Sigma? I mean, you got the Vortex thing. What else do you need? I think you beat... did you beat the game? Or you need to establish dominance of your 20 hours on your new mount. Check the Monster Slayer leaderboard. Don't tell me you're both people. That'd be too much for even me. Alright, cool. Let's head to the guild house. We'll donate the loot up. We'll divvy up the loot. Now that we were actually able to finish the boss, unlike last stream. Up with all these Paragon mobs. Not that I'm complaining, but we out here complaining. Sounds like you're complaining, Jace. A little bit. A little baby bit. Could be your 3% convert on bow. Hell yeah, dude. You got one of those convert bows? That's awesome. Hey, orb. An orb dropped. Who's got an orb off an ore elemental? Is that new? I don't think I've ever seen a orb off a regular mob. Orbs are more common now? Hell yeah. I need 40 more. Air, give it to me. Make them common. Make them so common that we have to rechange it. My script cuts up the humanoids. It's very annoying. All right, we're gonna go to the guild house. Avalor disappeared on us. Dorian, you coming? Distribution chest. Someone put a rune in there? A recall rune for the Southgate Tamer stuff? we'll put it in the house, but... I'm gonna donate the leather. Got a map. Got a cloth. Got Doom Orb. Doom Orb. We got a Blood Orb. Fortune Orb. Fortune Orb. Dies. Map. Thanks. That in there, that in there, that in there, that in there. Doublet. That. That. Let's see what scrolls there are. Herding. Vet. Discord. Carpentry. Maps. And tinkering. And a resource map. Okay, let's divvy up the loot. Also, let's do, like 2K a stack? I don't know, 2K. There you go. Nearby. Distribute. Let's go. Good luck to you all. Some green thorns. Some power scrolls. Well done. We did it. Oh, it evenly distributed the gold. That's cool. I didn't know it was going to do that. Thanks for the help. Great food scroll. Eating that up right now. I did end up buying one of those books. So I have this, the orb mastery thing. So I get to save Phil from backpack. Which, why didn't it pull on this one? Oh, that must be a graphical error. Yeah, I guess that was a graphical error. Yeah. Master key? I'll save that. I'll save that, dude. I'm not gonna do that right now. Do it Friday? Yeah, sounds good. I'm at 6 on my keyboard. That's gonna donate this loot into the guild treasury. Boom. We're up to 56K for our next buff, guys. The buff's kind of slowed down. I'm sorry about that. We just sprinted to the summoner buff, and now we need 200K, and we're up to 56. We're almost there. You know, if my math is correct, we're almost there. So we'll need to do that. Also, we got this guild prestige because I invited all you guys, and you guys have been dominating. So we also probably need to figure out if we can spend that to help us as well. It's because of the change you made. Just 100% because of the change you made. You're right. You are correct on that. Where do you go to see the stuff we could buy? Guild shop. Okay, so we have 9,000 points. And I saw over here that you can get... We could do like a boss token. Random boss crystal. So technically we could probably do some bosses. I don't know how this works. I assume you get the crystal and then it will let you go to the dungeon and spawn it. And then there's also this champion spawn crystal for 1,000. So I feel like maybe we don't waste on bosses, yeah. Because a champion's better than a boss, huh? It goes mini boss, boss, champ, Doom. Or Sigma told me this earlier. I mean, someone told me this earlier. Mini boss, champ, harrower. Okay. All right, sweet. Hey, thanks for pewing, you guys. That was good. All right, we're gonna get back on the script now. We got a little bit of we got a little bit of domination out there. Cardi says, "Wait, we can get a town hall." I mean, I feel like those are fake. I don't know if those are real. Jace needed some blood for his scripting quill. I like that. That's a nice visual. Yeah, if you want to ask, that'd be good. How much was it? Guild shop. I'm assuming they aren't 1,000. You know what I mean? Like this, I'm assuming this is like 10,000. Here, you're making a bard. You're gonna need some orbs. Heck yeah. Ugh. All right, anyway, one of my side missions in the game is to get to the 120 lockpicking. And then again, put it on a soul stone and then make like a regular character. Because I don't need lockpicking all the time. And I don't need forensic eval all the time either. That's more or less, I was just trying to farm up a thing. So that's technically, you know, 100, that's 240 points we could put somewhere else. To make our character better, faster, stronger. But I'm this weird, farmy hybrid. On that note. Are the skill stones reusable? They sure are, yeah. So I have 3 of them right now. So one of them has poisoning on it, one of them's empty, and then one of them has my cartography on it, which I don't even need anymore technically. So technically I already have 2 stones ready to go, because the reason why I had cartography on there is because you needed it to do treasure maps, but then they changed it to not need it. So this is like, not only can you have the template collection here, but then you could potentially just store skills on the stones. Now it's only for your account, so you can't change it from like one account to another. So these are like bound to your account. So just be aware of if you get a soul stone, it's gotta be your character, your account. Also, it doesn't swap a skill, by the way. I ran into that. The very first thing I did was I was trying to get forensic from my warrior over here. And I thought it would switch the skills, but it doesn't. It literally just takes it away. So you got to be careful on what you're swapping. That's right. Careful. Simmer. Thinking. I'll ask the chat. Summoner Bard or Melee Bard? My first character on A, like when I joined here and I went to AOS, I was a Bard. Summoner. Let me go look real quick. We haven't talked about switching realms in a while. I think I'm a peacemaker. Yeah, I'm peacemaking and music on this guy. and a wander. So I am a yeah, and I didn't have any lockpicking because I didn't know that was a thing. So yeah, I'm a summoner bard on this guy. On AOS. With my moose. So what all went over here? Does the template go over? Does this work? Like if I load one, does it like reload my... I don't want to do that, but can you like load your AOS character? Dude, I can't imagine all the stuff that he's working with here. Any wrestling? Nah, I just die if there's a PK. Any of my builds I normally don't. We ain't here surviving, you know. We out here dying. And then I complain about it. I'm like, man, it's getting PKs out here. And then you're like, wait, you're a glass cannon, Jace. Exactly. Glass cannon builds all the way. That's what I like to do. I'm assuming the quests then are over here. Like, what? Why am I on this side? Yeah, the quests are the same too. Okay. Oh, golly. Ah. If you have two bard skills, it's like having wrestling. Oh, okay, cool. Technically, this guy has wrestling. I didn't even know it. I'm gonna change realm. We're going back to... I don't like that it messes up your backpack. Wish the items stayed where they were. Game's literally unplayable. Okay. I'm struggle busing live right now. I'm just thinking like, how do I fake a disconnect? You know, like how can I how can I fake a disconnect? Someone go fish me up 60k fish sticks so you can get 10 more points in cooking. Can't you just buy them? Can you just buy them to Clue? You like fish sticks? Stop quoting, what gold you give me everything? I don't know, dude. I don't know what you're doing. Yeah, you can buy, look, if you can buy raw fish, or you can also just buy fish. And then, you know, when the vendor resets, then it like maxes out. How much is all this? Here, come get the fish. Get the fish, get the fish. Ah, no wonder you're extinct. There you go, 640 raw fish steaks right there. Nox is over here with a pack llama, ready to steal them. Pimping ain't easy. Hey, come here. Hold on. I'm trying to stack some fish sticks. A hidden vendor? Right here? Hell yeah. Thanks. The Clue, you coming down here? You coming to pick these up, the Clue? Look at it. I'm helping you. Where the hell's the Clue? Bring a horse. It's 10,000 raw fish sticks right there. Boom. Sending you on your way. This guy's name is Useless. Yeah, if you want to put him in your llama, yeah. I mean, you're technically prepared. What are you doing down here, Nox? You just chilling? Chilling with a pack llama on the docks? Seems sus, in my opinion. Are you, like, waiting on the cocaine shipment or something? Like, what are you doing down here? Nox is over here with the pack llama on the docks. You're scripting? Hell yeah. What are you trying to work on? What you got going on, Nox? Share it with the class. Not the script, just like what's your idea? Like what's your idea? What are you doing? And are you using regular Razor or are you using Razor Enhanced like a bad man? Lumberjack script? Hell yeah. Messing with getting pets info? I don't know which one of these is the Clue. I don't feel like any of these people are Declue. It's me on Declue's Crafter. I don't know. I don't know. I heard Declue. Wait a minute. Just kidding. I don't have it, dude. Nox has it. Yeah, type it in the chat. Whitesmith. I don't know. Who's killing dolphins out here? You look thirsty. Boy, you dropping poison potions? Fell for my prank. I'm the worst. Does your dude not? Oh, your guy's already full? Here, I'll just make a gate to your house. We'll just do the old drag. The old drag and drop. Unless you don't need to go to your house. Oh my god, weighs so much. Let me clear the wildlife for you. The problem around here. Anyway, I wasn't sure what the best yeah, and Declue, if you like wait a couple hours and then you go buy again. I think I only spent like 38k or something. I don't even know if I have that much money. I'm pretty sure I spent all my money on scrolls. Dante Rules has just dominated the game. I don't know if you guys saw, but he beat Doom by himself. So, he's like a mini Per Sigma. Trying to beat the game. Anyway, what I was gonna say is, should I be skinning to get resources for the guild? That's the I want to say easiest. That's the way in my brain I'm gonna do it, just because then I get to play. But in theory, I could have like I could have some scripts running to collect wood or ore. I'm assuming what Declu had said before is that woodworking was the way to go, right? Like we're gonna get the most resources with lumberjacking, with jacking. I'm 12. You guys, I'm sorry. I hope I wake up tomorrow in a better mood. How do I make sure that happens? I gotta go to sleep on time. I gotta drink enough water. What else do I need to do? How can I ensure a good mood tomorrow? Give me some lifestyle tips and tricks. Start smoking pot? Smoke a good joint? Okay, so move out of Texas. Got it. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Thanks for telling me to move. Sex tonight? Dude, yeah, that sounds great too. Yeah, do that too. Thanks. Good tip. Magic Man. Thought it was legal in Texas? No. It's not where I live. In Texas. You can get like a fake one in Texas. You can get like the whatever the non-real one. Is it ever gonna be legal in the South? I mean, who knows, dude? I don't know. Like, never say never. Medical's legal, and it's gummy only. They don't do inhalants. Interesting. I don't follow, I don't know if you know this about me or not, but I don't follow a lot of the, how the world is going news. I like to live in a bubble. So even things like that, I'm not, like, up to date. You'd have to read, comprehend. What does that mount, dude? Good looking mount, man. Shit, what did you say? Charge of the Fallen with a die? Nice. Oh, I should be killing stuff that's gonna be quest rewards too. Like, what am I doing? What am I doing here? I'm just going through the motions, you guys. There's a quest down here, right? I go crazy, you can go to actual store. Now, Claire, are you in Arizona or where were you? I can't remember. I think we've talked about it before, but... Wait, why is there plague spiders here? Is this new? Are these new mob types, or is this, is there a champ spawn up? I don't remember these being here. Oh, a hairy print. Oh, okay, they must have changed the... What's going on?
First death of the stream.
Hey, I think this is up, you guys. I think the champ's up. Whoops. I ran right in there like an idiot. Ronnie, save me, bruh. Thank you. Use your high to good use? I mean, yeah, exactly. I know this because you have a prescription due to chronic pain, but it's very regulated once you get. It'd be better if it was recreational. If people live in Texas and want some, go to OK. Oh, nice. Yeah. I saw signs that said you're not supposed to cross the border with it. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna try to get my corpse. And be a crazy man. I'm just gonna run in there like a crazy person. Double click. So it's on last target. And... Oh, no, I got webbed. Oh, I got like super webbed. I couldn't even move.
First death of the stream.
I got like super webbed, guys. Like impossible to fight back. Thanks, buddy. Borders inside US, don't go south border, you might get your head chopped off. Bro, yeah, I'm gonna let your pets go in there and get aggro, then I'll run in. Oop, wrong corpse. Let's go. One on the keyboard. Would you like to join my party? How does Oklahoma beat Texas to that? That's a great question. I need to go get some kindling real quick. Still didn't get any kindling. I don't think I can use those trees. I can use these ones. Donating my gold. Getting some kindling. Look at us go. We're out here dominating. Grip's like, we hurt. Claim reward. How long's that been there? Claim. Malco's got it, yo. If I'm in Oklahoma again for real, then yeah. But I've never been to a barber, you guys. I'm afraid to go to the barber. This is one of the things I like about UO, by the way. Just so you guys know. I was literally just walking around, killing wildlife. And then I was like, there's a quest mob over here. Like, we'll go check it out. And then, all of a sudden, there's a champion spawn. And then all of a sudden, we're dying. And then all of a sudden, the guild shows up. Like, look at us go. You know? Great job. Way to go. Dopamine, dopamine, dopamine. I shouldn't have summoned a Blade Spirit. What am I doing? Cronny down. It's time for me to return the favor and res that guy of mine over there. Damn it, somebody already res. Blackguard. OP. There's a store 2 minutes from your house? Hell yeah. Cool work. Well done. Jealous. Dispensary's over, right? There we go. There's the bite, the boss, the spider boss. Down here. Dominate. Can you elaborate why you're liking Unchained against Outlands? Like specific differences in mechanisms or something different? It originally started as I just wanted something a little bit different. I don't want to say I'm burnt out on Outlands. The last couple patches haven't been my favorite. I don't like that I feel... Like I was just getting into Backstabber, you guys, and I was like, oh yeah, this is going good. Yeah, yeah. And I started like one-shot stuff. And then I was like, yeah, yeah. And then that patch came out with the Backstabber changes or something, and then we weren't killing... Wait. There was multiple patches, because there was one that like made mobs like harder, and then there was also one that like made the Backstabber not as good. Was that the same patch? I feel like it was a double whammy. I feel like we had like a double whammy situation. The arcane nerf? Yeah, it started with the arcane nerf. Anyway, then I'm working on like the website, like the UO Addicts. I do want to like, again, I want to have a spot where no matter what server you play, you can go to. And part of that is to, you know, be open to playing other servers. And then this one just happens to hit a lot of the dopamine boxes for myself. Like it's like one little system after another that keeps me playing. Let's get on in there. See who can auto loot the fastest. Got here auto looting. Looting tootin'. Auto looting fruit. I don't have all the things on auto loot. A skill orb. Alright, GG. We're gonna go to the guild thing and we'll drop it down. If you would like some loot, follow me into the gate. GG, you guys. Well done. We're gonna do a distribution, lumberjacking, arms lore, lockpicking, peacemaking, a map, a skill orb, an earth orb, a treasure map, a death orb, and another death orb, 2 death orbs, and then a magical bracelet. Is that it? The bag is so dirty. I think that's it. I zoomed in. Party. Guy Valor is too far away. Was Guy Valor there? Guy Valor might just be in the party from before. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. GG. What did we get? We got a lumberjacking skill scroll, a peacemaking skill scroll, a lockpicking skill scroll, meditation scroll, leather. Sweet. Chart seems less restrictive. Yeah, 100% less restrictive too. It's does Unchained have soul stones? They do. Yeah, I got 3 soul stones. It's account bound, so you can only trade it between your account. For 2 years in North Texas, go to OK regularly to meet friends or go to the casino every 6 months or so. Nice. You like Soulstones way better than Echoes? Yeah, technically they have both here. They have it's called templates on here. So you can store and load a template. So like for example, I got more than 107 Spirit Speak, so I need to store my current build. 112 Spirit Speak, let's go. Anyway, so you can do that and you can do Soul Stones. It's like there's a lot of different things here. Gonna hit 6 on the keyboard. That's gonna send our stuff to the treasury. I do need to make a like Control-Shift-O script for our home here and put all this stuff away. What are we doing? Playing the game, Chase? Yeah, I was actually playing the game, all about playing the game, and then everyone wanted me to do, and then you guys wanted me to do Razor Enhance. I haven't got to play as much with Razor Enhance on the brain. I got 11 hours to kill 3 more fire elementals. Okay, let's go do that. I'm gonna turn these things in. Six to 15 on those bad boys. All right. Fire mini top. Oh no, dude. We're dying. Chat was like, come on, come Chase, don't you want to be cool? Everybody's doing scripts, it's cool. 100% I fell for you guys. And then, but see, now my problem is like, I don't want to just copy paste like somebody else's library because I'm an idiot, you know? I should just copy paste somebody else's library. But then when I was looking at other people's libraries, oof, hooey! Mastamilla, Script Beast, Misa Jar Jar. Shout out to you guys. Giving me, I don't want to say it's imposter syndrome. Giving me, oh god, what am I doing with my life? Vibes, you know? Is this the last one I need? Here, Fire Elemental, let's... Successfully completed the reward. GG. We even got a little holiday gift box. Wow. What kind of loot is that? What holiday is it? And it's in freedom units. Holiday gift box freedom. Very silly. Do the same thing though. It helps you learn. When I see some of the scripts out there, they're like, so over your level of understanding. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. It's like you want to. It's literally the owl thing. You know what I mean? Like we've learned enough. You know, like how to script. If then just do the rest of the script. That's how you learn deconstructing other people's stuff. True. That's how we even got the Gump to show up in the first place. I definitely learned by examples, and then struggling through examples as well. I like to learn and or struggle. Got a bank check there. Dang, I was kind of hoping for like a statue or something wild. That's how I got this one. I had a skeletal contract, and I got a skeleton statue. Like, where the hell's my gold? It's on my pack. It's... Forgot to give you 40 fish steaks here to glue here. Extra 40 by your door. Okay. Fisher map maker. Shipwright. I didn't see if these. I wanted to go see if these guys like restocked or if it was. There are any other ones? Guess there's not. There's one here. Oh, shipwright. Map maker. Animal trainer. Is this somebody's house? This is somebody's house right here? This guy got 0th place. 0th place. 7/1/2024. Good job, Dextrom. That's so funny. I think they just posted about that house on the Discord. Interesting. Oh, the owner got banned? Oh, damn. Okay. I mean, hell, I'm ready to enter a raffle. And Artis, how you been enjoying the server? Did you play on this one before, or are you new here? I started February 10th. I was just gonna check out for a little bit, and now it's almost March is almost over. It's crazy. Time is flying. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Crafting seems so slow. I've done tailoring and alchemy, and that's it. I haven't tried any of the other ones yet. Which one are you trying to do right now, Eclipse? Tailoring? I did it in a dungeon, by the way. You gain extra by being in a dungeon, so I did it right here. I took a pack beetle. No, I didn't even take a pack beetle. I put the cloth in here, and then if I ran out of cloth, I just run in, grab it out of the bank, and then run right back in. You need to bother to make a script for carpentry. There's someone on iOS who makes carpet charges 500k. Nice. Okay. Are you an artist? Are you playing like with the regular razor? Or are you using razor enhance or? Yeah, you can train with cloth all the way up to 95 skill or 98 skill, and then from there you need to use leather. You're the regular, you're new to the whole private server UO world. Oh, okay, cool. Nice. 99.6 is how far you can go to Clue? Damn, dude. You just need 0.4 to finish it off? I didn't remember. Well, that's cool. What got you into playing? Because it's fun. Like, again, there's a lot of different servers to choose from. We're normally on Outlands. One of my favorite servers was Angel Island. That was one of my favorites. Played on UOR. I haven't done Felucia. I gotta get on some of these other servers, you guys. God, I gotta do that too. I kept telling people I would do it. Now I haven't done it. One thing I can tell you is I will follow through. It just might be very, 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 very delayed. Okay? Like Mining March. You know, Mining March was actually from 2022. Well, guess what? We did it. Granted, it was 2025. Just kidding, it was 2022. It was 2023 because I've streamed for 2 years. Nostalgia? A hell of a drug. It's a hell of a drug. Yeah, Q4 of an unannounced year. There we go. Yeah. I like your style, Cronny. You're hired. You're on the team. I can pay you with snaps and that's it. I can just snaps. And jazz hands? Maybe I could throw some jazz hands in there. Snaps and jazz hands. Oh golly, gee willikers. I'm debating on what to do. And while we wait debating, I might as well go finish the quest so I can get the damn orb. Oh, you had asked about the carpentry script. So technically, did I post that on the website or not? I did do, is the tailoring one on here? Jace, why don't you search for it with your new thing? That's a great idea. Tailoring. Sewing kit. So this is the clues. Is there a carpentry? None. None found. We gotta get a carpentry script up there. Are you using air lilies? I originally was using air lilies when I first started, but then the summon creatures were so good. I've just been using the summon creatures, but ideally I've been trying them all out. They're all kind of leveled. Like recently I've been doing water elementals too. I don't know. Yeah, if you aren't afraid to get your hands dirty, an artist, you can take a look at the UO Addicts website and then take one of the crafting ones that are there already. In theory, what I was doing on mine, I was just making last. I didn't see, was that what the clue was doing or no? Da clue. Oh, you were actually checking the skill to clue. Nicely done. Okay, I didn't do that. I was just, my tailoring was even, like, damn it, I don't have it up. I was just making last until we got a gain, and then when we no longer gained, I would change what I was making. As a matter of fact, let me get that script, and I'll just post it to the website so you have another example. Let me go to my folder. Data Unchained, plugins, Razor, scripts, training, train, tailoring. Anybody see it? Tailor. Hey, Junior. Train camping, tailoring. There it is. I'm gonna open this off screen real quick. I don't know what's gonna open when I do it. In 1 second. You never know these days. You never quite know what gets opened up on a computer. Jace, are you AFK farming? Maybe. I don't want to talk about it. They're fighting? I like to herd him up. Thanks. Programs. What's up, dude? Oh, you streaming earlier? Well done. Any dungeon like a new dungeon? Yeah, it should be any dungeon, Eclipse. And it's kind of weird. It's a little bit random. The gain chance is a little bit random. So even if it looks like it didn't work, you just want to do it in the dungeon. Let me push this thing. What's your favorite summon? I've been enjoying the pixies, the air pixies. Except I'm maxed now, so I need to move it. You're partial to the poison ellies? Yeah. Are you you were playing this before, right? Like I made my guy back in April of 2023. But then I only played for like a little bit. And then I literally I came back when when did I come back? When they announced AOS, I came back for like a little bit because people really wanted some like help with the scripts because it changed from AOS versus whatever. Anyway, then I saw that they announced Sphere on Reddit, and I was like, oh my god, there's no way. This server's crazy. There's no way that's gonna work. Meh, meh, meh. And I never checked it out. And then I've been working on the website. February 10th, I've came back, and I literally haven't logged off since. So it's been good. Cypher has been busy over here. He played until July. I took a break. August, February. Yeah, I took a break. Came back a few weeks ago. Hey, yeah, welcome back, dude. It's been good. I've been having a good time. UR is what it launched with. Then AOS is what came next, and then they added a Sphere side to UOR. I was very skeptical. You invented the buff summoners meme? Well done. It's been summoners have been amazing. Oh yeah, the book. Sorry, dude. I went to look at it. Do you want it back? Like, I'm not going to use it. I don't want to take it from you. Which one did you give me? This lower red cost? 21%? Here. It's cool, but I'm not going to use it right now. They seem to be in a really good place. Look at all these poisoners beside me. Programs. Which one do you have equipped? Let's see. Summon creature 35%. I'm sorry, Wes. What'd you say? I don't read chat. Blade Spirit, Earth Elementals. Nice, dude. Chat walling. I'm helping you out, yeah. I'm getting you guys to talk to each other. Nothing but the best for this stream. Need one more. And I got my reward. I need one more. Give it to me. One more. Anyway, I need to publish the thing that I just had on my screen. Like, let's go ahead and push that up, Jace. Like, what are we doing here, dude? What are we doing? You're getting sidetracked. Where the hell's Notepad? Here it is. We're going to copy this, and I'm going to paste this in there, too, just as an example. Was there a quest here? There is a quest here. It's called something, put them to rest or something. Give them a break. That's a job. You kill these restless guys. There used to be quest guys where they were. I actually preferred that over like a singular quest guy and Brit. I understand that it's nice to grab them all at one spot, but then you don't know where they are and you don't really know like when to turn them in. I did in the suggestions you should put them back, but we'll see what happens. If you guys are looking for the quests, the Clue put the rune books at the guild house with the quest names on the runes. That's true. They're on the steps. The Clue. Shout out to the Clue. Here we go. Restless Soul. Here it is. Let's go. Plus 1 point. Hopefully it gave us an air orb. And if not, fudge. Sickles. Okay, we're almost... Who's that guy? Oh, damn, there was a boss here. We missed out on the boss. Oh, no, dude. Connie, thanks for hanging out on the stream, dude. Appreciate you. Have a good one. Catch you later. Okay. What am I doing? I'm publishing the script. Right? Right. The training one. Because the training one, where is it? Why am I struggling? I don't know. If you keep saying it out loud, Jace, maybe you'll get better. So this script can be used for pretty much multiple types. You know, scripts, submit a script. Training, crafting, tailor example. Using, make, last. Okay, this was on Unchained. I'm gonna paste the script in here. I technically don't use the pack horse on this one. Okay, this script will use your sewing kit and then select the last made option, or make last. It's like the make last option. It will keep using that until it doesn't see you gain any more skill. You can use this to hone in what you want to make and walk away. Replace sewing kit with whatever crafting skill you want. Replace? Replace. Replace. Replace sewing kit with whatever crafting skill you want to do, and tailoring and the skill check. All right, and this will be training, tailoring by make last. Oops, using make last. It's on. UO Unchained. Okay, and then we'll set this as a regular community edition Razor category training. And then this related skill is tailoring. Training. Tailoring. Make last. Right. Submit. Okay, cool. So this was the, before we got into Razor Enhanced, this is what we were using. Is it possible to restock from a pack horse on Unchained? It doesn't seem to want to use the pack horse as a container. You can. You have to lift though. You can't do a restock agent. You have to like lift. I think. I feel like I did it. Maybe I didn't. I was definitely dropping on the pack horse. Maybe I wasn't taking it off the pack horse. I'm trying to think. Restock works? Pickleweed. Grimsoo says restock will work. Okay. I am going to log off here. I was going to go do some scripting, but I'm going to call it early. GG. Damn it, the ads just started. It's been a good run. Sorry for the high octane. Sorry for the high octane stream, you guys. I don't want to be a complaining McComplainerton. But I'm hoping to wake up tomorrow feeling a lot better than I do right now. But let's hype our way out of here, you guys. Be sure to check out UOAddicts.com, UORazorScripts.com, Jaseowns.com, PlayUO.com, all the .coms. Check out Google.com while you're there, okay? P.S. If you can Google UO Addicts, I'm pretty sure we're on the first page. It shows up for me on the first page, but it's kind of biased for me because I make the site. But if you type in UO Addicts into Google, hopefully we show up on the first page. Peace. It's right after a self-help page for addiction. Nice. Okay, great. We're doing it. Anyway, if you want to watch people stream UO, this is a great place to do it. We've had 203 people in the last 30 days. Pwn Star's on right now. We're gonna have to raid Pwn Star. Pwn Star's never on when I'm on these days. Grab your weapons, you guys. Good luck over there on the Pwn Star raid. Pwn Star Gaming. And end scene. Oh no, dude.
No, you just deleted it!
Catch you guys on Friday. Peace!